How to copy BMW F80 FEM key data using Yanhua ACDP2. Full step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your go-to garage for all things automotive diagnostics, programming, and smart repair solutions. If you've ever wondered how professionals handle advanced BMW key data operations, especially when replacing the FEM module on an F80, this video is going to be your ultimate guide. Before we get started, here's a quick but important note. This video is made purely for educational and informational purposes. All the procedures, visuals, and explanations here are designed to help technicians, learners, and enthusiasts understand the correct process of module replacement. We follow fair use practices, and every tool or brand mentioned here belongs to its rightful owner. Always make sure you comply with local laws and official manufacturer guidelines when performing any vehicle programming or repair. Now let's get right into it. Here's a question for you. When replacing a BMW F80 FEM module, how exactly can you copy the original key data using Yanhua's ACDP2 with Module 2? It's a process many technicians find tricky, but if you stick around till the end, I'll break it down step by step and share a few pro tips that can save you hours of troubleshooting. All right, let's begin. The process starts right inside the Mini ACDP app. From a main menu, follow this exact path. BMW, Module Replace, Copy Data Replace. This path is your gateway to cloning the essential data from your old FEM module to the new one. But remember, this method only works when your original FEM module can still communicate properly. If it doesn't, there's a different approach we'll discuss later. Now, the process itself can be divided into two major phases, backing up the old module data and writing it to the new module. Let's go through each one carefully. Step 1. Backup old module data. This is where you extract all the necessary information from the original FEM unit. The app will guide you to read and store everything. So make sure your connection is stable and your module is powered correctly. Step 2. Write data to the new module. Once you've got a full backup, it's time to transfer that data into the replacement FEM. Here's the detailed order of operations you need to follow. Step 1. Backup coding data. This ensures all vehicle configuration details are safely stored. Step 2. Write FAFP data. This covers the firmware level parameters that make the module function. Step 3. Write IMMO data. This is critical since it contains the immobilizer and key information. Step 4. Write coding data. This aligns the new module with the car's existing setup. Step 5. Add or learn the key. Using the ACDP2, sync your keys so the car recognizes them. Step 6. Reset the starter motor. This clears any protection states that might block the vehicle from starting. Step 7. Detect vehicle information. Finally, confirm that everything matches and the new module is fully functional. Each step is important, so don't rush through the process. A stable internet connection, a properly charged power source, and a clean communication link between the tool and module can make all the difference. Now here's something you should pay close attention to: the difference between copy data replace and calculate data replace. When your original FEM module can communicate, you'll use copy data replace, as we just did. But if your old module is dead or cannot establish communication at all, you'll need to choose calculate data replace instead. This method uses calculated or reconstructed data to program the new module, rather than copying from the original one. And that's the beauty of the Yanhua ACDP2 system. It gives you flexibility for both scenarios. Whether your FEM is alive and readable or completely unresponsive, there's always a way to get your replacement working perfectly. So what's the key takeaway here? The ACDP2 makes the process straightforward, but precision matters. Following the steps exactly as shown prevents key mismatches, coding errors, or no-start situations that can otherwise cost time and money. By now, you probably have a clear idea of how to copy BMW F80 FEM key data using the Yanhua ACDP2. But the real question is, did you know the same method can also be applied to several other BMW models with FEM and BDC systems? Stick around, because that's the kind of detail we'll be diving into in future videos right here on Baabji Motors. Now, let's circle back to the question from the beginning. How can you copy the original key data during a BMW F80 FEM module replacement? The answer: through the Mini ACDP app using BMW Module Replace, Copy Data Replace, followed by the 7-step process of backup, write, learn, and verify. Personally, I think Yanhua's ACDP2 is one of the most versatile and beginner-friendly tools for this kind of work. It removes much of the guesswork and delivers reliable results with minimal risk, as long as you carefully follow each step. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever tried performing a FEM or BDC replacement yourself? What challenges did you face, and how did you overcome them? Your experiences might just help someone else watching this right now. Before we wrap up, here's a quick fun fact. The BMW FEM system not only handles immobilizer data, but also controls several key comfort features like windows, mirrors, and interior lighting. So when you replace or program one, you're actually restoring a lot more than just key data. If this guide helped you understand the process better, now's your time to show some love. Let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments to push this video up the YouTube leaderboard. Hype this video in the comments, share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to Baabji Motors for more real-world diagnostic guides, programming walkthroughs, and automotive tech insights. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, happy diagnosing.